Hi everyone, in this hot tip I'm going to show you how to access Google Sheet from Divooka. The first thing you need to do is to have a credentials. To do that, go to GCP and you need to create a new project. Here I'm just going to create a project and give it some name. After the project creation is done, you will be able to select the project. So here let's select the project. Inside this interface you need to go to service account. And you can just type service accounts and it's going to search and you can find this particular button. Go to service account and create a service account. You can give it any name. Let me just actually here give it any ID and go to done. And then after the creation is finished, connect the service account. And here's the important part. You need to note this email. I'm just going to copy it. Then go to keys. Create a new key, and we are just going to download the JSON file, save it somewhere, and that's all you need to do in the GCP side of things. Now go to Google Drive, and I already have a spreadsheet. Here the important step is to make sure you share with the service account, otherwise you will not be able to access it. Click the share button and then you need to name it. I'm going to name it, and you need to share it to the particular email address that you get from the GCP. Click send. Now you have successfully shared the spreadsheet. That's everything you need to do on the Google side. Going back to Divooka, we can access the spreadsheet from the data analytics Google Sheets helper, and here we can load data from Google Sheet. The first thing you need to do is to select the service account file. I'm just going to use a pass load to select the file and pass that in. The spreadsheet ID, that is this very long and ugly piece here. Paste that in, and then the range, and then the sheet name is going to be, because a single file can contain multiple sheets, so this one is going to be sheet 1, and the range just any typical Excel or Google Sheet range syntax. So I'm going to select from A1 to B4. That will cover everything here. And then click run. If everything works, then you should have access to it. Now here is saying Google Sheet API has not been used in the project. So you need to go to this place and enable it. Okay, so let's try to go to this place. So let me do Google Sheet API. Let's see whether we can find it here. Okay, yeah, you can find this right here. And then click enable. It's probably going to take a few seconds. Okay, looks like the Google Sheets API is enabled. Now let's try it again. Yeah, and then you have your result. So that's how you access Google Sheets from within Divooka.